Running Google Ads retargeting with Practice Better can help you bring back those visitors who didn't convert the first time, turning them into paying clients. But how do you set it all up effectively without getting lost in the process? Stick with me until the end to learn how to optimize your retargeting campaigns in Practice Better and discover an even better solution for achieving this goal. First, let's dive into the basics. Practice Better is a solid platform for managing your coaching or wellness business. While it handles scheduling, client management, and billing, it doesn't have built in tools for running Google Ads or retargeting, which means you'll have to get a little creative. Next, you'll need to integrate Practice Better with Google Ads. To do this, you'll first need Google Tag Manager. You'll be using this to place tracking tags on your website and Practice Better pages, which will collect the data needed for your retargeting campaigns. To set this up, simply create a Google Tag Manager account if you haven't yet, and follow the prompts to install the container on your website. You'll then grab your Google Ads conversion tracking code and drop it into the Tag Manager interface. The third thing you need to do is set up your Google Ads retargeting campaign. Once your tag is installed and working, head to Google Ads and create a new campaign. Choose the Display Network as your campaign type, and make sure to select the Remarketing option under Audience Targeting. You can segment your audience based on behaviors like visiting a specific page on your Practice Better site or abandoning a booking process. Now, the fourth thing to consider is the effectiveness of your campaign. Practice Better is primarily a tool for client management and is not optimized for running ads or tracking detailed behaviors, which means your retargeting efforts could be limited. Sure, it works, but it's not going to offer the same depth of analytics that platforms designed specifically for ad management would. You may find yourself manually cross-checking client data in Practice Better with Google Ads reports, which can be time-consuming and a little cumbersome. Another thing to keep in mind is that Practice Better's integration with Google Ads isn't entirely seamless. You will need to rely heavily on Google Tag Manager to make everything work together smoothly. If you're not familiar with setting up tags and tracking codes, this could be a bit of a headache. That said, once it's up and running, it does the job. Now, here's the thing. There are better options out there for what you're trying to achieve. While Practice Better is a great client management system, when it comes to Google Ads retargeting, you might find better alternatives that offer more straightforward and powerful features for marketing. These platforms come with built-in integrations for Google Ads, automatic tracking, and advanced targeting options, all designed to save you time and give you better results. Before we wrap up, I want to make sure you know about an exclusive offer. If you want to give Practice Better a try, we've got you covered with an extended free trial through the link in the description below. But that's not all. I've also found some amazing alternatives to Practice Better that are better suited for the Google Ads retargeting process, and yes, they also come with a free trial. Use our link to unlock the best deals and benefits exclusively for our viewers. So, if you're ready to step up your retargeting game and make the most of your Google Ads campaigns, check out the links below.